Except, well, I'm in here, but other than that. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first episode of the Sky Castle renovation series. Starting with, obviously, what else would I do best? Shopping. So here we go. Sky Castle shopping, part 1 of probably 500 million. Baby, it's empty in here. So before we get going, FYI, I have been spending a lot of time photoshopping and kind of messing around to see kind of what inspo I want to go with. I think I want to do kind of a blend between Versailles and Art Deco, you know, old Hollywood glamour, but also with, you know, that little French flair that I love so much. So that's kind of that. And yeah, now back to my outfit of the day. My outfits of the day lately have just... It really sucked. I'm sorry, I haven't been trying at all with my outfits. This is just genuinely what I've been wearing lately. After the lockdown, I just forgot how to get dressed in general. I'll get back to my normal fabulous outfit soon. Regardless, whatever, okay. Outfit of the day, but we got some yoga pants, we got a crop black t-shirt, we got this little bag, and literally that's it. I'm a fashion blogger, I know everything. No one would believe I have a fashion YouTube channel, but all right, anyways, that's that on that. Are you ready? All right, let's go. How cool is this? We just get to go down my own elevator. Okay. Rum-pum-pum. Side note, gorgeous day. Wow. All right, marble shopping. Exciting. Wow, this is cool. Look at that. Woo, look at that. For size reference, I want to do something kind of like this with the black and the white in the vestibule thing. Oh my god, look at all of this. Oh, this is gonna be, oh god. I'm gonna be so overwhelmed, oh god. Wow, this is gonna make me go crazy. Oh, look at all the choices. I like this one. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. This is man-made. That's crazy.
Yes. And this is something that you can do.
Oh my god, I love this one. That is beautiful. I really like this, actually. This is pretty. Wow, there's so many choices. This would be so gorgeous for the master bath. Ooh, I could do something funky like that. Actually, no, I don't like this at all, but this is cool. Oh, hello, beautiful. I love you so much. Oh my god, I love this. Look at this. This is fake marble, too. That's crazy. It looks so real. It's literally like my dream. Oh! If DIY marble floor bitch could see me now. I'm gonna, like, cry. Okay. Okay, so I think a bitch is more confused now. But that was cool. There's so many choices. I'll have to do a dedicated floor video, but that gave me some ideas. Sir, I guess we'll go to this rug store since I happen to already be here. Whoa. Rug Nation. I would actually love to get an Aubusson rug or something like that, or possibly even like, I don't know, whatever. I want to get a cheetah print rug, balls to the walls. We're just doing whatever I want, really. Wow, I don't even know. The land of magic carpets. Oh god, there's too many choices. Okay, we'll do this later. This bitch is wearing a carpet, literally, mood, same. Welcome to my channel. Okay, anywho'sin, we'll keep walking, see what else we got. Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, this is literally what I want my house to, like, look like. You guys keep saying you hope I don't make my house tacky like Liberace. Don't worry, it's actually gonna be way worse than that. Chandeliers everywhere. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, oh, wow. Wow. Actually, that is basically the kind of chandelier I want to put everywhere. This is cool. Oh dear. Guys, please watch all the ads. Wow, you know, I actually really love this couch. I don't like these pillows. Are these Fendi pillows? Someday I'll have a staircase like this in my house too. This is like my dream. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Again, a bitch is confused. I have too many ideas. But that's my favorite problem to have. Too much shopping. Okay, work. Surprise! I'd love to get a couch kind of shaped like this. This is neato. Oh. Fun fact, I always blow these when I see them. I believe in these. Oh my god, whoa, a pink stove! Whoa!
It's a famous brand.
Oh my god, you guys, look at all these fun kitchens. Work. I personally really love this. Whoa. Wow, maybe I'd start cooking. Oh my god. This is insane. I've actually only ever seen this kind of appliances on Pinterest before, but this kind of is the vibe that I'm going for. I think I want to do like black and white, gold. I don't really know, but this was good inspo. How cool, they let me keep the book. Okay, I'm honestly gonna have to split this up into like 50 million videos. So I'll do a kitchen shopping spree, a couch shopping spree. I'm gonna have to do a million, but it's my ideas flowing. So we might as well check out this random store too. Oh, those are neat. Totally not my style, but kind of cool. Whoa, what is happening? This is crazy. Oh, it's all so modern. I don't like that at all. Whoa, a bathroom store. This is like formal IKEA. Whoa, this is so cool. I'm in a fake mini bathroom. Ooh, maybe I should get a tub. Oh, ooh, that's cool. I kind of want to do, whoa, this is so cool. I'd actually really love to do like a black marble sink in the bathroom. Look at this cool ass kitchen. Oh my god, I love this. This is so fun. Ooh, this is like gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay, wow. This is such a cool store. Maybe I should do this everywhere. Huh. Marble everywhere. Oh my god, this is my dream. Guys, an all gold shower? That could be the vibe. I would have literally never thought of that, but that shit's fire. Oh my god, I'm gonna be shopping for the rest of my life. You know what I'd really like to do is go to a store that sells toilets, but I have literally no idea where you buy a toilet. Amazon? Oh, see, now that's more what I'm talking about. Wow, this place is crazy. Like, I really like couches like this. I think this is really fun, but I would want it to be 7,000 times bigger with gold. Also, I would get tanning lotion all over that, so I probably can't have a white couch. That's a vibe, honestly, work. Perfect, just what I was looking for. Okay, beds. Wow, I want a bed that big. This is like the Versace mansion bed. Oh, and it comes with a George. That's actually really terrifying, okay. All right, so we have migrated to a mattress store. Mattresses everywhere. I like cloud beds. Oh my god, we have to try the bed that moves. Oh, you guys, this is so great. Look at this, we are in motion. This is literally the most luxury thing of my life. Oh my god, the whole bed is moving. Wow. Oh look, it even says Inspire, that's nice. Okay, you can't really tell how big this bed is. For reference. That was literally amazing. I'm gonna do a mattress video too, okay? Oh god, wow, the content from a new house, great. Oh, I'm like walking into a construction zone, oops. Can I walk here? Oh great, okay. So chaotic of me, thank you. Wow, fun, look at this, okay. Walking and vlogging is a dangerous hobby, but all right, next stop. Look at that, did you know Fendi did home design? Honestly, me either. Let's see what they got. Fascinating. Designer couches. Huh. So this is what my house would look like if Fendi made my house. I don't even know how much this costs. Whoa. crazy. Oh my God. What is happening? This is amazing. Whoa. Whoa. Screaming at this. Whoa. Oh my God. This wasn't planned, but y'all know I love a thrift shop, so we have to go in. Oh, these are cool.
You have a lot of...
Huh. Ooh, this is cool. I love weird stuff like this. A little dramatic, but kind of funky. Oh, it just never ends. I'm gonna have to do a dedicated chandelier shopping video. That's gonna be amazing. Oh my God, there's so many. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do like a separate chandelier shopping video, but a bitch is getting ideas. I love this and that and all of them, really. Like maybe something like this on the walls of my vestibule thing. Oh my, there's just so many. These Venetian style mirrors are cool too. I might put one of those in a bathroom somewhere. Like this vibes. Oh, it's happening. So now it's all dark in here, so weird, but I just got back. I changed shoes and added a hat because I went home to pick up George really quick just to bring him over for the evening hours while I sit and stare out the windows to decide what I learned today. And what I think I learned today is that there's a lot of choices. Right, Pumpkin? Like I'm 99% sure we're gonna do the black and white checkery marble in here. Put those little chandelier thingies there. And there. Switch those appliances, huh? But God, you can't beat that kitchen view though, hot damn.
Maybe I'll get a couch like this, but also I kind of want a couch like this. Also, I still kind of want a cheetah rug. Chaotic, I love it.
And everything else, I don't really know yet, but ooh, that was a lot further away than I thought. But I'm meeting with the contractor on Monday to discuss designs and things, so stay tuned for that. If you have any ideas, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe to see what happens. I will see you guys next time. If I can ever figure out depth perception. I love you. XO. That did give me a little bit of ideas, so I'll have to do an official floor shopping video.